This is going to be a reading for sign of Scorpio for the next, let's take 2 weeks from now. So, what can my dear Scorpios possibly expect in their soulmate relationships? Right now, with King of Pentacles, with and Five of Cups, many of you guys are going through a very very disappointing state right now. You guys are trying to stay focused on your finances, I would say, but things are not going well for you guys. Okay, even if you are giving in your 100% regarding your soulmate, I feel like with Ace of Swords, you guys have got some clarity, or you guys did speak something that kind of like told you about something, or made things clear regarding this soulmate connection. With Nine of Swords, you both are restless over each other. Okay. With Page of Wands, I believe many of you guys are in communication. Communication is happening. With Ace of Swords, if it's not happening, I see communication coming in. Okay. With Knight of Wands, someone is very interested in you, very physically attracted to you. Okay. That's something I see very strongly. So let's start. Let's give one card for what do we see coming up for Scorpios in the coming 2 weeks. I say Nine of Wands. So you guys do feel wounded. If it's not like wounded, then I generally feel like this is a card where you guys are thinking of all the past that you guys have gone through. It's hurting you. You guys have gone through a lot, because Nine of Wands is a card where you do feel a little hurt thanks to the past chapter, or thanks to whatever has happened in the past. You guys are having your walls up, guards up, not letting in someone new, old, whatever, focused on healing. Okay. So what else is coming up? So I do not see you very open to relationships. Okay, I see you being a lot closed off and having your guards up, walls up, being a lot more resisting in terms of getting into relationships. With Eight of Cups, for many of you, I do feel that you are walking away, or someone has walked away from you recently. Okay, but majorly you guys are staying focused on moving on from the past. You guys are not wanting to feel hurt anymore. If it's you who's hurting, then I honestly feel like you guys are staying focused on moving on, getting away from this connection. You guys are wanting to get your vibe back, get your energy back. Okay, if it's your person who's hurting, I believe they are moving on. Okay, but someone who's hurting is wanting to move on. Okay, so Spirit, give me one card for the collective energy. So what's the energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate for the next 2 weeks? I see for many of you wanting to move on or stay away. Collective energy, you both feel ghosted. You both feel left out in the cold. You both could also feel like this connection is very draining, and it possibly does not have a future. You guys are not on equal terms, on the same page. I see one of you who is not really putting in the effort or the work needed to fix the connection. Okay, but majorly you both are ghosting each other. You both are trying to stay away from each other. I believe one of you will try to move on. Okay, I'll be honest here. I believe Scorpios are someone who is a very strong sign, so they can take the reading well. Usually signs would just cry and click off as soon as they hear the word walk away. Okay, so one card for your soulmate's energy towards you. Scorpio soulmate's energy towards Scorpio spirit. With Six of Wands, I believe it's you who's walking away, whereas your person is wanting to come forward and give you attention. This person wants your attention. I believe it's Scorpio who's wanting to walk away, because they feel like this connection has nothing to offer. Rather, it's draining them, destroying them, hurting them. Okay, so I believe it's Scorpio who's wanting to move on, but your person is very much still wanting to move forward with you, still wanting to have this connection with you, still wanting your attention very much. Okay, Spirit, one card for Scorpio soulmate's intentions towards Scorpio now. Scorpio soulmate's intentions towards Scorpio. Yeah, with Queen of Wands, I do feel this person will want your attention, just not want your attention, but will also take action towards you, will actively be around you. I believe that this person is still very passionate about you, and they are very much like wanting to be around you, not just passionate but wanting to be around you. Okay, wanting to put in the effort needed to fix the connection. Okay, so what does this person want from Scorpio now? Spirit, one card for what does this person possibly want from Scorpio now? With star card, this person wants to heal the connection, fix the connection, and possibly move forward with you. Okay, this person is in no way wanting to walk away or break free or move on from the connection. This person is stalking you. They're keeping a watch on you. They are wanting to take action towards you. They want to heal the connection. They want to bring balance towards this connection, and I believe they want to move forward with you. Okay, so in terms of that, one card for action. Let's see what action your person is wanting to take towards you now. Yeah, with the Hierophant, this person wants to commit. Okay, I believe it's you who's wanting to stay away and walk away because it's been very draining personally. This person is wanting to give you a serious offer. Okay, so in terms of, let's see, like what can my dear Scorpios possibly expect from this connection? Yeah, with Three of Cups, this person wants to reunite. This person wants to get back with you. In no which way your person wants to move on. No matter what they are trying to say or show or behave, this person is restless on you. Okay, very crazy. Okay, behaving like they are fine, but they are not. They are extremely fearful of losing you. Okay, so what does a Scorpio want to do with this now? One card. What does a Scorpio want to do with this now? I believe majorly your intention is to stay away, if not move on. Please note that this reading can go vice versa. So this might be a Scorpion doing. Yeah, Scorpion wants to end this connection, end this relationship. Okay, I believe that many Scorpios are wanting to resist this connection and offer. So the reason behind this, one card for the reason behind this. The reason behind this is you feel like it is not going to last. With the Tower card, you feel it's a bad idea to come together with this person, and you feel like it is not going to last. Eventually, you guys will break free. Even if you come back, you guys will break free, and you guys have possibly lost hope and faith that this connection is going to last long term. With the Tower card, you also feel like it is going to go through a very bad breakup, and you guys are not wanting to do that. You guys are wanting to leave before things are, fine. You guys are not wanting to go through this. You guys are already feeling drained by this. Okay. So in terms of their feelings towards you, one card for Scorpio, soulmates feelings towards Scorpio spirit. With Three of Wands, this person might have their back turned towards you. They are not around you. They've been in the past, I believe, with the Four of Cups, they were trying to resist you or staying away from you, trying to keep you away or trying to make you believe that they are not interested in you. But with Three of Wands, I see them looking forward to this. Spirit, give one more card for how do they truly feel for Scorpios. With Four of Wands here, this person is no longer wanting to walk away. They feel like you are marriage material, and they very much want to manifest you in their life for a long term. They are very much looking forward to this. That is commitment. Wanting to celebrate their life with you. Okay, so that's something. So where is this connection possibly moving forward, spirit? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Scorpios? For many of you, I see one of you ghosting the other person even after you having love for them. So let's pick one card for how does a Scorpio feel about their soulmate now? I don't feel Scorpio is open to this relationship, to be very honest. Okay, Scorpio does have feelings for this person, but they feel like this person has hurt them. So if you're a Scorpio, you do have feelings. I also feel for Scorpios have other option besides the lover that has hurt them. but the problem is they feel hurt by the person they have feelings for. Okay, so the reason why they are not wanting to stick around is because they feel like there's nothing for them in this connection besides pain and destruction. Okay, so that's something I see. Okay, and this connection wasn't very healthy or very happening, a very balanced connection. It had issues. Every connection does, but this could be something more that the Scorpio is wanting to break free. I genuinely feel like Scorpio is wanting to ghost their person or stay away from their person. If it's Scorpio who is wanting the person, then their partner could be doing this. This reading can go vice versa, so take it accordingly. Okay, so one card for what does the Scorpio soulmate want from Scorpios now? You do have feeling for this person, but you are not wanting this person. You are wanting to break free. Okay, so in terms of King of Cups, this person wants to possibly open up to you, possibly wanting to treat you well, express, I won't say express their feelings, because King of Cups does not necessarily express feelings, but they are very kind, very sweet. Okay, this person wants to nurture you, take care of you, have a possible romantic connection with you. Okay, I'm not sure about expressing feelings though, but with the Eight of Pentacles, this person wants to work on this connection. This person wants you to work on this connection. They are not wanting you to give up. Okay, so one card for action. King of Pentacles. So I believe for many of you with the King of Pentacles, this person wants you to possibly get into a stable relationship with them. They are wanting you to think of this connection seriously. Okay, they are not wanting you to possibly take it lightly, or possibly not really look forward to long term with them. They are very much wanting you to think long term. Okay, they are not wanting you to take it lightly or to take it casually in any which way. Okay, so that's something I see for now. With Nine of Cups, you are their wish fulfillment. This is crazy shit, right? So one card for the blockage. One card for the blockage. What should be blocking Scorpio and their soulmate from coming together? This person could have not treated you right in the past, and that's the reason why you are feeling drained or exhausted. The blockage could be a third party, or blockage could be that with Six of Pentacles, that this connection wasn't balanced. Okay, you felt like you were doing everything and the other person wasn't. Okay, with the Moon card, this person was hiding a lot from you. They were possibly keeping secrets. Okay, with Four of Pentacles, they were holding back a lot. You were the one who was wanting to fix everything and wanting to do everything, whereas this person was holding back. Okay, even though they had feelings for you, but they were very much holding back. So what can you possibly expect from this connection moving forward, Scorpios? Guys, please do hit the like button on this video if it has resonated. It greatly helps my channel. I believe that you will eventually ghost this person. With the Moon card, I do not see you guys being a lot in communication. I do not see you guys openly communicating. I see you guys holding back. Okay, so what can you look forward to? We have the Moon card. I believe that you are resisting them, and you guys will decide to stay away from them. Okay, so that's something I see for now. So let's take love messages from your person. What does a Scorpio soulmate want to say to Scorpio now that they are not being able to say face to face? Okay, the first card we have is, for many of you, this person could not choose between you and something else. It could be either you and a person, or you or in their career. Okay. In the past, this person could have just wanted to stay friends. Okay, but right now this person is wanting to choose you. Okay, so it is very direct that this person in the past wasn't very serious about you, but right now they are very much looking forward to it because they are restless that they'll possibly lose you. So yes, this was your reading for sign of Scorpio. If you could resonate, darling, please do hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and please keep coming back for regular readings. All those who are wanting a personal reading, please go to my website and book one. It's in the description section below. Thank you so much. See you soon, guys. Cheers.